July 24th, 2021. We're at Goat Lick here. We will see some goats licking rocks, but it's pretty far away down there, where you need binoculars to really see, because it's way down there. So it's kind of hard to see. You can walk down here a little further and see if we can figure it out here. All right. We got a little chilly this morning here. Chilly. Got shorts on. Even my knees are cold here. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit later and I'll be okay. But I should have put my sweatshirt on, but that's in my suitcase. Too late now. I'll just have to grin and bear it. Burn up some body fat here, I guess, to get some calories going. Oh, we got a little trail here. All right. Oh, we're out on a little observation deck right here. And we're looking. We're going to get the scopes out here and scope this area. Let's see what's over here. I don't know.
They're not going to be down in the river.
But higher up there. So we're looking, we're scanning. But it could be over there somewhere. Oh, okay. We don't see any.